Wagering on harness racing is one of the few forms of gambling where you increase your odds with greater knowledge of the sport and the horses. The process of picking a winner is called handicapping. Winnings can be in the hundreds or even thousands of dollars from very modest wagers. But first you have to know the lingo and how to place a wager. There are two ways to wager. You can punch your own tickets at a self-service machine using either a voucher purchased from a mutual clerk or cash inserted into the machine itself. Just follow the instructions on the screen and it's as easy as pie. It's also easy to call your bets to a mutual clerk. First, tell the clerk the amount you want to bet. The minimum is $2 for most types of wagers. Then tell them your type of bet. The basic bet is win, place, or show. When you make a win bet, you collect if your horse is first across the line. On a place bet, you collect if your horse is first or second. On a show bet, you collect if your horse is first, second, or third. Since place and show bets are less risky, the payouts are usually less than for win. If you want to hedge a bit and think the horse you like could be first, second, or third, you can cover all those wagers at once by saying you want to bet the horse across the board. That's a total of 3 bets, each costing $2 at a minimum, though you can bet any amount larger than that as well. If you want to take the chance to win more money but also assume more risk, there are more complex wagers you can make. These bets are called exotics, though they are really rather tame. If you want to try to choose the first 2 finishers in a race, that is called an exacta. If you want to bet those horses to finish exactly as you predict, you would bet them straight. For instance, if you think horse number 3 will win and horse number 2 will be second, you would bet a straight exacta, 3-2. If you think that those 2 horses will finish first and second, but you're not sure in what order, you can bet an exacta box. A box bet is actually 2 wagers, as you are betting the outcome could go 2 different ways. So you will have to pay for 2 bets when playing an exacta box. If you want to go for the gusto, you can bet a trifecta, which means selecting the horses that you think will be first, second, and third. Again, you can bet them straight in the order you think they will finish, or if you box 3 or more horses together for a higher cost. One last type of exotic bet is the daily double, though many tracks offer more than one per night. The daily double most often involves picking the winner of the first and second races. There is no show betting or boxing. The horses you pick both have to win for you to cash in. Some tracks also offer a late daily double, which might be the last 2 races of the night. The races may be different, but the process is the same. Pick the winners of 2 back-to-back races. Handicapping can be an intense scientific exercise of the mind, or it can be just plain fun. You can always just bet the horse whose name you like, your house number, or birthday. The important thing to remember is to bet within your budget and have fun.